So how long does it take? So how long should it take for a website to start earning enough money that you can quit your day job? Likewise, how long should it take you to build a mailing list so that you can make a living purely from affiliate sales brought in via email? The bad news is that it takes a long time. Internet marketing is not the get-rich-quick scheme that people think it is. Rather, internet marketing is a strategy that you can use to make money online only if you commit to the job and keep putting out great content and doing lots of active marketing for a long time. Put it this way. I worked for a YouTube channel with 3 million subscribers. 3 million. They made $15,000 a month from the ads that show it on their channel. Granted, $15,000 a month is enough for most people to live on very comfortably. But it's still not millionaire money. And 3 million is a huge number. With the best luck in the world, you're likely not looking at reaching those numbers for several years. The first year, you'll be lucky to get 10,000 viewers, at which point you'll probably be about $200 a month. The same goes for placing ads on a website. Building website traffic is hard. You'll need to post multiple times per week, do all your SEO, guest post, and even then, you can expect it to take a few months before you have a few thousand regular viewers per week. The problem is that AdSense, the Google ads that many marketers put on their websites, earn a few cents or a few dollars per click maximum. So you need tens of thousands of views daily to make a good amount of money that way. Selling an affiliate product as a proper internet marketer will help you to increase that amount by a large amount. Problem is that you now need to build the trust of your audience, which takes a long time in itself. You can also combine this with other forms of advertising like banner ads, like video sponsorship deals, like alternate advertising platforms. Using growth hacks such as influencer marketing could also help you to get ahead. But the point is that it takes time and it takes money to build the necessary success, and you need to be aware of this.